I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So the bulls got trapped up here above 25,000. Price action pushed higher and immediately sold off. Now Bitcoin bulls back here about 24,200. Need to hold this previous. This was the ceiling and now it's the floor. Needs to hold this support level 24,242. Otherwise, you're looking for a move down here to about 23,000. Big picture, we're going to zoom out. We're going to look at the daily chart. And here's what I want you to pay attention to. We've been talking about this number time and time again. 25,000, 25,200, right? You get a break above this level, above this level, above this level, and it holds. Break and flip it. These are the upside targets that you're looking for out of Bitcoin. 26,500, 28,500, 31,450, 33,000 is in the cards, but you got to break and hold this level. You can have a pullback. Bitcoin had tremendous upside. 3 days of the biggest gains we've seen since 2019. If you do get a pullback and another push higher, again, there's a certain amount of sell orders that are stacked right here. When these sell orders are filled, finally breaking this sell wall, then you've got upside, right? But it's if this happens, then do this. I'm watching altcoins. However, Bitcoin dominance has been taken off. People have been FOMOing into Bitcoin. You know, obviously altcoins had some good movement, but today there was some negative news, and we'll talk about that in just a second, that came out early. Again, Bitcoin on its pullback yesterday, you know, gained 9%, lost 9% real quick. Right, so we're going to dive deeper into this, but I just want you to see the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, you see this level where the price action ran up to back on August the 8th, got rejected. Ran up here, got rejected. Now here so far, got rejected. You got to break and flip this level. You want to run up here or potentially even up here to this level, right? You're looking for a break above this level. You need the 200 simple is coming in here. The price action needs to break that level, right? Bull run ready. When the Bitcoin price action holds, it doesn't even have to be the massive bull run. I'm not saying we're going 60,000, 70,000. I'm just saying you want more upside out of this, then you need to break this level. You need to break the ceiling, right? And then it becomes the new floor, and you're talking about upside targets, right? Otherwise, you've got these support levels marked and you're working in this range, and Bitcoin is just in reaccumulation, period. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started with $500. Now he has $1,000. I can't believe it. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person started with $1,000 a couple weeks ago, now up to $12,000. The Kucoin setups, gem pick bangers. That's all there is to it. Every day on Kucoin. Banger after banger, 121%, 50%, 36, 29, 19, double digits all the way down the list, right? You just got a page full of double digit gainers. This person, $8,000 in profit in the past 30 days. Thank you for the group that you put together. This person, I took time to watch the videos. I've got an amazing set of videos that you can watch, learn how to trade this market, know what you're doing, know when to sell, know when to take profits, know when to buy. He 6x'd his money after joining the trading group, watching the videos, basic stuff. Bang. You want to change your life forever? I can help you, period. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me. cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Again, we're constantly posting the right setups so that we're in the right coins all day, every day. Today, woke up, stock market down, Credit Suisse drop, renews banking fears. So everybody's looking for Credit Suisse to fail. The Dow was down over 400 points and everybody was fearful. But later in the day, Swiss National Bank is going to provide liquidity to Credit Suisse if necessary. And Credit Suisse sold off, and if you look at its chart, it looks terrible. Fedor Bank is another one. Kraken is discontinuing funding operations with Fedor Bank. So again, they're big in Europe, and obviously there's some issues. Notice that they talked about Silvergate, Send, Swift, and Fedwire. funding is suspended. Like, you're seeing a big rift in the crypto market where you don't have the liquidity you once had. The availability to switch in and out of cash from crypto is getting smaller, right? Yeah, there's definitely concerns in the market about this. However, this is huge. This is big. This is huge. Fidelity Crypto quietly went live, giving millions of retail customers access to Bitcoin and Ether, right? So Fidelity Crypto went live quietly. There's no trading fees for millions of Fidelity investors to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. This opens up, I think it was like 17.1 million people are able to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, even if they just buy a little. Hey, that's what crypto is all about. Like, the limiting factor is access to be able to buy and sell, right? There's, as more access points open up, more exchanges open up, more Fidelity Crypto, huge investment banking companies open up to buying and selling crypto and letting their clients do so. Sky's the limit, right? However, United States Federal Reserve's real-time payment system is coming in July. So people would argue like, hey, crypto is just good for transferring money. And this potentially is going to compete with that aspect of cryptocurrency. You'll see this coming in July with its first participants certified within weeks. So that's going to change the game. I mean, the United States Federal Reserve sending instantaneous payments. Coinbase delists RLY, YFII, MIR, OMG, Loom, LOM, and REP as of March the 29th. So multiple reasons: lack of volume, lack of liquidity, lack of interest. You see these coins kind of just get delisted and potentially die off. There could be concerns about them being securities. Again, multiple reasons why this happens, but over time, you're going to see about 99% of these altcoins just completely fail. They just kind of disappear and become irrelevant. Obviously, crypto use cases are 10 times more than just sending money. Obviously, we know that cryptocurrency, the growth factor is coming, right? The price, as far as the price goes, the valuations will explode. We are constantly watching this market. We understand that, metaverse and DeFi and AI, they're all going to be huge runs that we see in the future. Cathie Wood's ARK raises $16.3 million for a new private crypto fund. So Cathie Wood, pretty famous. She's working on a new fund just for crypto. So what does that tell you? Everybody's trying to jump right into the market. Today, really the key is right now, there's just so much uncertainty in the markets as far as traditional markets. Banking, what's going on with banks? Are banks solid? Right? You got the Federal Reserve rate increase coming out in about a week, and people are concerned about the banking system. And then the Fed has to be too. Like, the Fed doesn't want to break the banks. And so if they make an adjustment where they don't raise the rates, or a 25 basis point rate hike, that definitely helps the price of Bitcoin work higher over time. We have seen some upside out of the ES1 after hours, putting in a potential double bottom. And we've talked about multiple times how this needs to bounce here and work higher, and it helps Bitcoin. However, right now, like, they're very decoupled, right? You saw, Bitcoin's chart doesn't look anything like ES1, right? So at this point, I think upside helps. It definitely doesn't hurt Bitcoin. However, they haven't been correlated like we've seen in the past. So things are different. And that's, really what we want. We want Bitcoin to just take off and break away from all the traditional market nonsense. We want people to realize that this is the biggest financial revolution of their lifetime. They can change their lives forever if they own a piece of Bitcoin. Or obviously, there's a ton of altcoins you can make money on. You just can't fall in love with these coins. You have to know to take profits, right? If you don't take your money, somebody else will. So profit taking is a skill that you need to practice. If you like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.